Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI for free as a student. So open your browser and simply type in Claude AI free for student. You will see Education Claude by Anthropic. Go ahead and click onto that link. Then you will get landed onto this Contact Anthropic's education team. Here are two campaigns that you can apply for. For students, it will show you one is apply to be Claude Campus Ambassador. Another is sign up to be a student builder. So go ahead and click onto the first link. Now in my case, this campaign has already been closed in my country. As you can see, it says applications have closed. This might not be the case for you. Go ahead and search for it. And if it's open, leave out your information. And likewise, you may go ahead and do the same for this student builder program as well. If it's not closed, leave out your information and they will get back to you via the email address that you will be leaving. So guys, these are the two ways that you can try. Thank you.